Hi friends, this video will show you how to take screenshots on OnePlus Nord to 5G in 3 different ways. The first method is using the hardware key combination. To use this method, you need to press and release the volume down and power keys quickly. Let me show you a quick demo. First, go to the page where you want to capture the screenshot. Now, quickly press and release volume down and power button. It will save the screenshot and you get this preview on the screen. If the page has multiple pages, you get the scroll option. Tapping on it will take auto scroll or a long screenshot. You can adjust the length of the scrolling screenshot by swiping up or down. Once the customizations are over, tap Done. Remember, if you take a screenshot at the end of the page or on a single page, the scroll option will not be available. The second method is using the three-finger swipe gesture. To use this method, go to the page you want to save the screenshot. Now, swipe down on the screen with 3 fingers. It will take the screenshot. You can take scroll screenshots even with this method. The third method is a partial screenshot. If you want to capture part of a screen in a specific shape, then with 3 fingers touch and hold the screen. You get this option where you can adjust the size. You can choose the shape, rectangle, circle or free draw. You do get the scroll screenshot option here too. To access the taken screenshots, go to Gallery, then Collections. Here, Screenshot folder. You will find all the taken screenshots. If you want to disable or enable screenshot gestures or screenshot sound, go to Settings, Convenience tool and then Screenshot. On this page, you have the option to toggle on or off screenshot gestures. You can change the position of the screenshot preview left or right. To enable screenshot sound, toggle on this option or keep it off. That's it on this video on how to take screenshot on OnePlus Nord 2. Would you please hit the like button if you find this video helpful?